Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cynthia She's So Blessed. I am back with you to share another DIY that I had created, a candle holder tonight. Yes guys, I created a candle holder tonight. But before I get into the video, I just want to do a quick shout out. Hello Laura Bruno, Mysterious Alberta, welcome back. Dale Monhoes, hello. Kay Renee, hello, and Grandma Sandy and TBAB and TMC. Hello, hello, hello. And I just want to give them a quick shout out. Guys, I'm here to do a video on Diva's DIY Glam series for 2019. Hosted by Decorating Diva, Elaborate Design with Ieasha. That's Decorating Diva and Elaborate Design with Ieasha. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the video. Guys, what I have done, I had purchased that candle holder stick there for the thrift store, and the other one to the top, I had purchased that candle holder from Walmart. Just hot glued it together, and once I did that, I went ahead and applied some homage tar and some glitters and some rhinestone, guys. That's all I did to create that look, and placed some lights inside to just light it up. So that's what I did. So Diva and also Ieasha just asked us to have anything shiny, glitter, mirror. So guys, this is my second video for the month of November. If you haven't got a chance, you still have a chance to jump in up into November the 3rd. So guys, I hope everyone having a wonderful night.